1. Water your lemon tree weekly. If your lemon tree doesn't get enough water, the natural salts that it produces may accumulate in the soil. Keep the soil moist, but not waterlogged to prevent root rot. If using hard tap water, you may need to drop the water's pH before giving it to your tree. Adding 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, white vinegar to 1 gallon, 4 liters, of water will usually do the trick. If your tree's leaves are curling, your tree needs more water. 2. Keep the air around your plant circulated. To imitate outdoor conditions, open a door or window near your plant in warm weather. If the air is too cold, set up a rotating fan near the lemon tree to help the air stay well ventilated. 3. Fertilize your plant once every few months. Lemon trees grow well if they get plenty of nitrogen. You can find nitrogen-rich fertilizers at most plant stores. Feed your plant once every 3 weeks in spring or summer and once every 6 weeks in fall and winter. An NPK fertilizer of 2-1-1 works well for citrus trees. Do not use fertilizers containing alfalfa meal or cottonseed meal. Fertilizers containing these meals can cause fungal diseases. 4. Perform only mild pruning on your tree. Pruning too many leaves will reduce your yield, but occasional pruning can be helpful. Remove dead, broken, and diseased branches, and thin to control the height and spread of your tree as space allows. Lemon trees can be pruned year-round when grown indoors. 5. Set up a humidifier near your lemon plant. Lemon trees naturally grow in humid climates. Placing a humidifier near the tree can keep the air from getting stale. Set the humidifier to at least 50% to give your plant enough moisture in the air. Misting your lemon tree with water several times a week or when it rains can also restore the plant's humidity levels. If you live in a humid location, you may be able to get enough humidity from opening a door or window. 6. Manage the temperature of your room to ensure a healthy harvest. These trees do best in rooms with an average temperature of 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 21.1 degrees Celsius, by day and 55 degrees Fahrenheit, 12.8 degrees Celsius, at night. While temperatures that dip below 55 degrees Fahrenheit, 12.8 degrees Celsius, will not kill your tree, they will cause your tree to go into dormancy and stop growing.